Hi all, I'm Alessio Somaschini from Cluster Manufacturing, a company of Reply Group that works on Microsoft technologies in a manufacturing context. And here with me there is Roberto Del Ponte.
Hi everyone, I'm Roberto from Infinity Reply. Infinity is a company focused on professional services towards augmented reality and virtual reality technologies. Today we are here to present Smart Maintenance, a Reply advanced solution based on Microsoft technologies designed to support, with the aids of augmented and mixed reality, on-field workers during maintenance procedures for Industry 4.0. Smart Maintenance comes with a dedicated app for Microsoft HoloLens 2 mixed reality headset. Once logged in, you can find a calendar with all the activities scheduled by your supervisor, and selecting the first one available, you immediately have access to the maintenance procedure instruction. Thanks to the mixed reality functionality, you can associate digital documentation to real-world equipment, and in this way, users can execute their jobs supported by technical information overlaid to the intervention area. Information appears on large virtual display that can be easily moved in the desired position, avoiding visual interferences within the working area. Smart Maintenance has a simple user-friendly interface that shows step-by-step procedures supported by short textual information, 3D infographics, and multimedia documents such as videos and images, PDF, with also the possibility to integrate and show IoT data. As you can see, the procedure tasks are displayed in a dedicated window, where it's possible to monitor the job execution progress. During the maintenance procedure, you can follow not-linear workflow and report anomalies encountered during the execution of the works with text and vocal notes, videos, and images. Smart Maintenance, thanks to HoloLens and gesture recognition functionalities, when in authoring mode, allow you to quickly manipulate and place 3D infographics over the working area. Everything has been designed toward the user needs in order to be consistent and effective during the job execution. Let's move now with Alessio.
Thank you, Roberto. The activity shown in Roberto's demo has been prepared with an admin portal that is able to easily manage and schedule maintenance activities. Smart Maintenance Admin Portal is part of a Smart Factory solution that includes also a factory monitoring module based on IoT data. In the maintenance section, you can find a list of activities with details about their state. Going to activity detail, you have a diagram with all nodes that compose the activity, and it's possible to zoom in and out. Selecting the node, you can see all node metadata and relationship with other nodes. Going back to activity list, you can clone a published activity in a new one to perform changes. It's really easy to create and place new nodes in the activity diagram, using drag and drop functionality. Then, it's possible to set several metadata on the node like the name, category, and also attach multimedia items if you want. You can link new nodes with existing nodes just dragging arrows. On links created between nodes, you can define a name that will be used to show options during the activity execution. Dragging another arrow from the new node to the last node, we have created a new branch in a few seconds. When all is done, you can save all changes and go back to the activity list, where the new activity is still in draft state and is possible to publish, clone, or delete it. In the Schedule section, there is a calendar view of all scheduled activities. You can schedule a new activity just clicking on the desired date and then defining start and end date, the time, activity type, and who has to perform it. The activity shown in the calendar is the one that has been performed in the previous video. Opening it, there is a link to the execution feedbacks, where you can find all outcomes of performed tasks. For each task, start and end timestamps are tracked along with textual or multimedia notes. Going over the tasks, the current task is highlighted in the activity diagram, and task details are shown in the right panel. Here you can find some key takeaways of the solution. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.